delicious, sparkly clean. Concrete was put everywhere. So that's leaking in, and then outside is a massive pool of water. Was I right? Oh my. You really made us come out. All save on laundry.